Hello, my name is Josh. I perform quality control here at Puget Systems. And before I move your computer on to the next steps, I'm going to take a few minutes to give you a quick video tour of your PC. So, we'll start with the inside. I'll try to give you a good view of everything going on in here. There's your video card up there, your primary SSD with lots of room for expansion if you decide to do that in the future. Nice, tidy wiring, as you'd expect. Now let's get a view of your ports. You want to be sure to plug in your video card first, as that's where you're going to get the best performance. But you can plug in your onboard video outputs if you'd like to hook up more monitors than your video card supports. And there's where you're going to be plugging in power. Do be mindful. You have this physical power supply switch, and if this is off, your computer will not turn on. So that's actually pretty important. A nice feature of this chassis is you have this removable fan filter for your power supply. And the way you clean that is by taking a can of compressed air to it, or a vacuum, or running it under some water, as long as you make sure it's dry by the time you install it back in your computer. But anyway, here's your front ports. You have a microphone port, headphone port, reset switch, power button, 2 USB 3 ports, and 2 USB 2 ports. Behind the door is your optical drive, and directly to the right of that you have this 3-speed fan controller. We do all of our testing at the lowest setting, but you can feel free to change the fan speed if you'd like. And here's a demonstration of how loud these fans can get. So this is on low, and that's medium, and that's high. So they can move quite a bit more air, but at the cost of noise level, of course. Oh, and I'd also like to let you know that the username in your OS is generic as you requested. Alright, so last feature I'm going to show you here is you have another removable fan filter here for your front intake fan. And the way you remove that is by pressing down on that tab there, and that'll release the assembly, and from there you simply pull the filter upwards. Alright, and that's your PC. I'll be sending this over to Final Prep, order you boxed and shipped. So you should be receiving your computer shortly. Thanks.